Karbi akai mate di piningwe hai project nei putagali lapen pindai support dan seplang mate aji se Karbi akai atu thare mate pensomar tum aji se Karbi address mate pindai support seplang ithan mate aji se pasithangi than niling hango lapen dan akai pas samei Karbi pindai support aji se pasithangi than niling hango. Kadang and thank you.
Good evening to one and all, respected judges and people. Good evening to all of you. My name is Mr. Ronghangpi. I am studying at Janvi at 9th standard. My aim in life is to become a software engineer, and my hobby is reading books and writing. My hobby is reading books. First of all, I want to say that
thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Kodong, aprasi tanggupan saya lebih labang somai lo masih tongdok ketiga dek kapen besar kapen jerput doang benda ani yang sama kodong. Nilimen lagi thare bodisok pro nilirong lagi hidupi ihan langsung. Nili kaki kimang lagi aktor mate kasih pajak abang pu. Nili kaki kiklemal saya lagi Doga Charlie lapen Dunkilun Kodong.
Kita segera jalan tes.
Kadang apa sih kan tunggang saya kehai lapen jepi jepo doa apa sama yang sama kadang berdiri gelap kadang. Nili men thare rituhan se nili rong lage domuka dudihan se rong lapen nili methan rong si mesen pulote kirtheta meverji lapen ninga klongpen ning tingsa masai klem bengi pulote klemun kadang.
please. Good evening to the judges. Good evening. My name is Kajir. I'm studying in IIT Kharagpur. I'm from Ronghangpi, Ronghangpi. I love skillful things, and so I enjoy dancing, playing music, and cubing as well. Growing up in this land, I've seen my people possessing all the talents and struggle so hard, but do not get what they deserve. But in my part of success, I once believed that emotions and feelings are just an obstacle in your goals. But the day came when a person told me that success is great, but achieving success at the price of bronze is not worth it. So tonight, I stand here in front of you, wearing all the traditional Ronghangpi, pinseleng, and Jupon on my chest, around my waist, and I honored to wear on my head, to speak this to the world that we are going to put an end to this cycle and bring about a new revolution together and in union. Thank you, the judges. Kurang Karbi, Anglong. Have a great night. Thank you very much. Next contestant, please.
Kadugana Pata, Anigana Samakano, Tato. Lilimen, Harimono Sinti, Niliro, Volom Kamaji, Bomboy. Lape, Lili, Linkiham, Lun Kilo. Lape Lili Chini, Pirteke, Kan Honpen, Akapre, Agatinai, Akapreka Sunavi, Lasi, Kalukavis, Kasimon Kenaso, Kado.
Thank you, contestant again. Next contestant, please.
First of all, good evening, respected judges, and all the wonderful people present out here. My name is Karbi. I am basically from center, but currently I am staying near Medical College, Ronghangpi. About my qualifications, I am pursuing my HS from Badan Memorial Higher Secondary School. My hobbies include singing, playing football, and traveling, and I am passionate about modeling. Thank you. Have a nice day. Ini mulai tu kemana song yang kita main. Kemana song jom si dua puluh ini tu ajar tak baru. Langsung si ini kemana song kita play jitu. Kadang song jaya dengan tingkang ciorang. Lasiapang si kangkung bangsa yang hai, lapan yang hai bi, lapan yang tapi doang abang pu lapan yang abang pier pang, lingan tuang pen kalau mampu jerilo, kalau Lilingan hari lagi itu, lapan lili jalan kiri bawah sampai, lili dua yang dari cari bawah bawah jangkau lagi bawah, lapan lili kaki kecukupan, lili yang ia saya lagi jerpo, jerpi pen kicau kita, lapan pipi tengkang orang kiri kepat dengan saya, lili hangi. Lili kaya kemana lagi orang mati, lili kaya yang isi kemesan akan kelenten, lili tengkang orang. Arah apa di sini orang betul orang betul faham ini kami. Jadi mana orang Kajir Ronghangpi memorial kedalam society kan apa itu Prime Minister Karbi Anglong tu Arjulong Tekon Long Pen nang cepat itu di faham ini kami lo. Lasana ho piling lapen jerpo kita lakian pen piningke lakan sohong jai la ajak lu mai odam pen ang itu mat hingo nang cithana ho lapen ni sambik lo kadong.
Love yourself. And what's more important in life is staying positive in life. With this attitude, let's meet and greet each and every one. With this line, I wish each and every one, especially our respected judges, Karbi and Jupai. My name is Marson Thausen. I'm 19 years old. And currently I'm pursuing my studies from Zakir Hussain Delhi College under Delhi University. My hobbies are singing, cooking, and I love playing basketball. And all these things really makes me happy. I love motivating people and encourage them to give their 100% in whatever they do. And I'm sure that this platform will help me to reach one step ahead of my goal to motivate and encourage people and find out the best of themselves. Thank you so much, Karbi and Jupai.
Present here tonight. I am Ronghangpi from Difu. My hobbies are traveling and cooking. My aim is to become a modeler. Never give up until you achieve something. Thank you. Now, next question, please.
Hello everyone. First of all, a very good evening to the respected judges, guests, and all the resource persons present tonight in this occasion of Miss, Mr., Mrs., and kids for Karbi Anglong 2020. It's my privilege that I'm able to deliver myself to such amazing judges and able to participate and contest among such talented contestants. My name is Ronghangpi and I'm 21 years old. I'm from Difu, which is my hometown and birthplace also. Currently, I'm pursuing my degree in political science from Difu Government College. I love going to gym, cooking, and I love to sing songs when I'm happy. It is my hobby also. I love going to gym because I believe that in order to have a happy life, being important is one of the most important features of living a happy life. Healthy life, happy life. Thank you. See you all. Thank you so much. Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. Next contestant, please.
Good evening to each and everyone present over here. First of all, I'd like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to stand before you and introduce myself. My name is Dominic Salma. Basically, I am from Bukada, but currently staying in Guwahati. I am pursuing my BSc in Brahmaputra College, Guwahati. My strengths are I am self-motivated, hardworking, and a disciplined person. I belong to a nuclear family. My hobbies are playing football, listening to music, and cooking. That's all about me. Thank you for this opportunity. Have a great evening ahead.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.